quedarse sin. Quedarse sin. Quedarse sin means to run out of something. So we could be talking about, for example, things that you eat, like bread, fruit, vegetables, food in general, and other things, right? It could be ink. If you have a printer and you need ink, you ran out of ink, okay? And pretty much you are talking about something, okay? So let's look at the first example. Nos quedamos sin jugo esta mañana. Nos quedamos sin jugo esta mañana. This means we ran out of juice this morning. So let's break this down and let's see how this sentence works. Nos means nos quedamos sin. By the way, we have se over here, se, and that means we can use reflexive pronouns. Quedar is the verb, and sin means without. Nos quedamos, nosotros, nos quedamos. We don't need nosotros, but we need nos quedamos. Nos is a reflexive pronoun, okay, nos. And instead of saying se, we're saying nos. And it can also go before the verb. Nos quedamos means, nos quedamos sin, let's include sin, means we ran out of. Then you have the noun jugo. Jugo. Jugo means juice. Could be any juice. We're not being specific about what kind of juice. So jugo means just juice. Esta means this. Mañana means morning. And mañana also means tomorrow, by the way. Nos quedamos sin jugo esta mañana. We ran out of juice this morning. Okay. Interesting. We have nos quedamos sin, which is, remember what we're learning right now. And nos quedamos sin means we ran out of something. Okay, so let's look at the next example using this phrase. Nos quedamos sin tiempo. I mean, I'm using again nos quedamos, but I can change it so you can see different pronouns being used in this situation, in this example. Nos quedamos sin tiempo. Mañana continuaremos. Okay, so that means we ran out of time. Tomorrow we will continue, or we will continue tomorrow. Okay, so that's what we're talking about here. Nos quedamos sin, once again, this whole thing means we ran out of. We're talking about time, something that is not tangible. So you can use quedarse sin with, that kind of, in that kind of situation, like you ran out of time. Tiempo means time. Mañana means tomorrow. Nosotros continuaremos. We don't need nosotros. We need continuaremos, which is the action, the verb. And that whole thing, continuaremos, means we will continue. Okay? So you can change this to something else, just to use a different pronoun over here, reflexive pronoun. Let me just erase all of this. Okay. You can say, te quedaste. Te quedaste sin. Te quedaste sin. That means you ran out of time. Okay? And then the rest means the same thing. Te quedaste sin tiempo. You ran out of time. Mañana continuaremos. Tomorrow we will continue. Or you can also say me quedé sin tiempo. This means I ran out of time. Okay? I ran out of time. Mañana continuaremos. We will continue tomorrow. Okay? So just keep in mind that you can use those pronouns me, te, le, nos, os as well. Nos as well. So just keep that in mind. I think le is not working here. It's more like me, te quedaste, nos quedamos, nos, os. Okay? So yeah, le it doesn't apply here. Okay. So do you guys have any questions? Do you guys have any questions? Remember, by the way, quedarse sin means to run out of something. We could be talking about time. We could be talking about juice, food, things. Yeah, that's what we're talking about.